The heart is a powerful muscle that works like a pump, beating around 100,000 times a day to keep blood flowing through your body. It has 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called atria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. Oxygen-poor blood from the body enters the right atrium, flows into the right ventricle, and is then pumped to the lungs where it picks up oxygen. This oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium, flows into the left ventricle, and is pumped out through the aorta to supply the entire body. The heart's rhythm is controlled by electrical signals that start in a small area called the sinoatrial node, which acts like a natural pacemaker. Valves between the chambers open and close with each beat to keep blood moving in the right direction. The heart never rests. It keeps working day and night to deliver oxygen, nutrients, and remove waste from every cell. A healthy heart is the key to a healthy body.